Naibagang morning mga kaibigan, welcome back to my channel, Biyahe ni Nonoy. So if you are in my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and hit the notification bell for more videos. So sa umagang ito guys, no, as you know, I have celebrated my anniversary last Friday. At may mga taong nagbigay, no? They show their love to me by attending this said occasion, and may mga binigay rin mga pakonting gifts or even ayuda guys, no? So yung una, yung batch ko na batch ISNHS batch 2000, nagbigay sila ng gifts and even some food, no? Yung ginawa nila yung trending guys, na pupunta ka doon, may kotse, then bubuksan nila, kala ng mga tao may kotse ako guys, pero no, hindi kotse po yung binigay nila, kundi some stuff and some food, no? Yung mga naiwan na lang guys, ito, no? So this, may mga parang mga candies and even flakes sa loob guys, pero naubos na natin. At kasama rin dito yung si teddy bear, red. Pinangalanan ko itong B2K, no? Kasi batch 2000. So si B2K guys, hello. And also may mga other pa dito. So i-unwrap natin guys. So una kay Auntie Remy. Wow. It's the Under Armour guys. Bagay. Thank you Auntie. And also bubuksan rin natin ito from Maluar. Check natin guys kung anong laman nito. Wow, pillowcase. Ganda ng kulay. The best. So, thank you po. And also we have here Ate Ka and Nanay Uying. Nice guys, huh? There is this kind of bag. They're bonus. So thank you po sa binigay nyong bag. Malit na bag. Nakakatulong ito even especially when I go out. Marami akong mga stuff kasi na hinahawak. Mga cellphone, mga face shield, pwedeng ilagay ito guys sa malit na bag. So thank you so much. Next guys, itong binigay ni Lola, mga Auntie for the sisters guys. Happy anniversary from Auntie for the sisters. Buksan natin guys. Wow. I have this Hanes Classic White, very useful po sa everyday. And we have this Abercrombie na polo shirt. Ganda guys, check natin mamaya, no? We have also here from Lola Melchor Antiporda and family, and even the Maria Auxiliadora. Hindi ko alam nila mayag ako sa bagas. Open natin guys. Dami ko na namang bag guys. Sina. Check natin, ang ganda ng bag. Dadami yung bag ko nito pag lumabas ka ako. Parang everyday iba-iba yung bag ko guys. Nice. Thank you po. Another from Anti-audit, anti-milling, anti-tesi, and anti-rose, guys. Check natin. Oh, I have this Aben. Bagay ito, guys, especially malamig yung panahon, no? We have also this box, Fragile. Check natin anong laman nito, guys. Where's my scissor? Ano kayang laman nito, guys? Wow! This is statue. Wow, guys, ganda. This is Mary, Mother of Vocations. From Rogationist, binigay sa akin to ng isang pari. So, thank you po, Father. And yung iba, guys, no? May nandito pa. Nasa office ko na, nilagay ko na doon yung parang set for table off. Yung mga gamit sa table. So, sa lahat po ng nagbigay ng mga staff, nagbigay ng mga pagkain, ayuda, no? And yung simpleng pagpunta nyo sa anniversary ko, it's really a big thing for me. Para to give thanks also at mag-celebrate for this gift, no? Yung gift of vocation. So, thank you so much for coming, and please pray for me. Ito yung gusto kong hilingin po sa inyo, to pray for me every day so that I have the strength, I have this compassion to serve you, no? Serve. And sana po gagawin ko rin yun, no? I will always pray for you, lahat-lahat kayo na nandyan pa rin na sumusuporta sa akin all throughout this 5 years of my anniversary. And we hope and pray na mas humabaw, dumami pa yung anniversary ko for more years para I can serve God and I can serve also lahat po kayo na binigay ng Diyos na alagaan ko. So, thank you so much also to my family, kay Mamang Selly, to my brother Carlo, and even to my asawa ng brother ko si Aizen, even Kaka, and to my pamangkin, no? Shout out kay Kayla, Bardang, Dumog, Buti, and sa relatives po namin, no? Yung Flores, Antiporda families, and also sa Sahor families. At lahat-lahat ng nagdasal po at lahat ng nag-greet sa akin, especially sa mga nag-greet personally, yung mga hindi nakapunta po, yung mga nag-greet sa akin virtually, yung mga nag-text, nag-chat, at sa lahat-lahat po ng nagdasal at naalala sa araw na yun, nung last Friday. Thank you so much, guys, and most of all, would like to thank God, no? Na even though I don't deserve all these things, pero ang Diyos, no, palaging nandyan na siyang gumagabay, nandyan ang Diyos para bigyan ako, no, ng gift na to na I have to treasure it. Thank you, Lord, for all the things that is happening in my life, and sana po wag po kayong magsawang gabayan ako at bigyan nyo ako ng lakas as I do my ministry, as I do yung mga responsibility ko, and I will always be faithful to you, Lord, no? And thank you lahat po, no? Lahat na ng mga hindi ko nabanggit. Thank you po sa inyong lahat, to my YT family, to my FB family, and mga friends, no? Mga friends, relatives, and mga nakakilala po sa akin. Thank you so much po. And even sa mga kaparian po ng Archdiocese, thank you so much, and even especially to the Archbishop. Thank you po for coming last Friday, and sana po, no, as I grow in number of years, mas lalo pang lumalim yung relationship ko kay God, at lalong mas mapagsilbihan ko kayo ng maayos. And sana, no, I hope and pray na bigyan pa ako ni Lord ng mas mahabang buhay, bigyan pa ako ni Lord ng mas malakas na pangangatawan, and sana bigyan pa ako ng compassion, yung the way He loves, the way He forgives, no? Kasi mahirap rin guys yung mga ginagawa rin namin, pero as human person I have also my limit. I am also sinful, pero through the grace of God I believe na makakaya ko lahat ng ito. So until next year ulit guys, as I've said nung yung my anniversary for the coming years, simple na lang yung 6 to 9, then eventually at 10 isa-celebrate ulit natin with this big gathering. And sana, no, we hope and pray na wala na po yung COVID at that time. And ito yung panalangin ko rin, no, panalangin ko personally, na sana this year 2021 po, wala na pong COVID. Sana may vaccine na siyang mag-i-stop na rin po yung spread of this virus, and sana wala nang bagong variant, may stop na po. So tulong-tulong po tayo, we heal as one, and thank God for all the things that we have received in life. We thank God for all the blessings. Yung pagkagising po natin araw-araw, it's a big blessing from God. So God bless all of you. Thank you po. Paalam.